everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too!
One day, a 100-acre wood, the east wind traded nice and clean.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
Also sang soprano in an opera. You see, of course we practicing the snow
Hunter, come bounce with me. Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me, right this way. Phew, I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out for Everlumped and Noodles. They feel honey. Steal honey.
A very big waterfall.
The rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too!
It's not the party without me.
and everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too!